Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Food. Today's video is about Amla rice. Amla rice is also known as Indian gooseberry rice. It is a traditional Indian dish made with rice and amla. Let's start the recipe. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add half tablespoon of mustard seeds and 4 tablespoons of peanuts. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Now add 5 chopped green chilies. Adjust green chilies as per your taste. Add few curry leaves. Please like, share and comment so that it will reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now add 1 red chilli. Saute them for 2 minutes on low heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Add half tablespoon of turmeric. Saute them for 2 minutes on low heat. Add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Now add 200 grams of cooked rice. Mix well. Now add 7 small sized grated amla. Switch off the flame and add amla. Add chopped coriander. Mix well. Vitamin C rich amla rice is ready. More rice recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Who in your family loves amla rice? Drop a comment below. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Cooks in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.